Trot, Anna. Probably not the most comfortable, though. Be soft in your hands, Sarah. And then it'll stretch down more. You're clamping too much with your legs, Sarah.
Yep.
Because you're used to a wider horse now.
I don't mind them bony. I don't see what you're complaining about.
Okay, trot on.
Yeah, you're trotting and then you tell me about bony.
No, that's not trotting.
That's not trotting. I don't know what that is.
That's jogging.
I'm gonna chase you.
Come on, trot him on, Stephanie. Oh, come on, more than a jog, Stephanie. Well, you're at an English barn now, so deal with it. And again, Sarah's very happy to chase you. Especially now on Little Round Kirby. Alright, see that rising trot, Stephanie? Alright.
That's easier, Abby.